The following steps are only for new users who are installing SuccessWare for the first time. If you've already been using SuccessWare and want to upgrade, please click the upgrade link in this video's description. After downloading SuccessWare, open the downloaded file. Read the license agreement in full, and if you accept its terms, click Agree. Drag the SuccessWare folder into the Applications folder. Next, double-click the Sentinel Runtime installer. It installs the software driver for the hasp key. Click Continue. Read the license agreement, and if you accept its terms, click Continue. Then click Agree. Click Continue. Click Continue again, and then click Install. Enter your password, and then click Install Software. Click Close. If you are asked to move the installer to the trash or keep it, click Keep. You may be informed that the driver installation was blocked. If you were, choose to open System Preferences. Even if you weren't, open System Preferences, and then open Security and Privacy. If a message appears at the bottom of the window saying that system software from SFNT Germany GmbH was blocked from loading, make sure you are able to make changes by clicking the lock icon at the bottom right and entering your password. Then click Allow. To have SuccessWare Server automatically launch at login, open your Applications folder, and then the SuccessWare folder. Drag the SuccessWare Server application to your dock for easy access. Then right-click or Control-click SuccessWare Server. Choose Options, and then open at Login. And you're done.